So what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to be showing you in this video a tutorial on how to get the best Uber promo codes. These Uber codes are going to give you free rides and also up to $100 of free account credit, meaning you're going to get all your next travels up to $100 for free. These Uber discount codes are so easy to get, but there is a process to actually getting them, so I thought I'd make this tutorial and help you all out. If you've been looking for Uber promo codes, you know they're quite difficult to come by, especially if you're an existing customer, meaning if you've used the Uber app before, usually these discount codes are not available to you, for you. However, I've found ones that can be used by new and existing customers, and they're actually pretty easy to get. So you need to open up your mobile phone, go to this website, www.wavycoupons.com. Make sure you spell it correctly, guys. This website is awesome. They have lots and lots of different pages. Now, if you go to the search bar at the top, you can literally just type in Uber and you're going to see Uber there and also Uber Eats. So just choose the correct one. I'm going to click on this top one that says Uber free credit and ride coupons. Open that page up and scroll down. You can see there are tons of these coupons remaining. Also, it's been rated very high by almost 1,000 people. And you can choose between two different Uber promo codes. These are both working in 2024. You can get $100 Uber account credit. Alternatively, you can also get your next 3 Uber rides for free. So click on the one you want to get. I'm going to click on this top one, and this is going to pop up confirming your choice. Now you need to unlock your personal code, guys. It takes around 5 to 10 minutes, and when you click unlock code, you're going to see a new screen with a set of instructions. So that's exactly what I'm going to go and follow now. I'll see you once I've fully completed that. Okay guys, so I just followed all of the instructions on the screen and it took me around 5 to 10 minutes, but it was pretty easy. I just took my time. So I've returned back to this tab, and now you have to go ahead and click on the coupon button again, and there you go. It's now revealed my Uber promo code for $100 account credit. I can then go ahead, copy this and redeem it on the Uber app or on the website, and it's going to give me $100 to spend however I want. So you can go to wavycoupons.com and get your free Uber promo codes. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you found it useful, go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment if you need any help, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.